I know you're all excited about the class project, but before we get started on the design of our mural, let's review some of the technical requirements for murals. What factors do we need to keep in mind? Yes, radio. The mural has to be permanent. It has to last as long as the building, and it has to be solid enough to put away or being washed. Good point. Yes, David. It should have a flat finish so you can look at it around without seeing any glare. As a design angle you can see or you're running rather than standing still. Yeah, those are things that we need to bear in mind. We want the people to take in a moving position since they're observing it. And let's not forget that our mural is more than just a large-scale work of art done on a wall instead of on campus. The term mural implies a distinct feeling of nature, included as appropriate to the architecture and the function of the room. A mural is an integral part of a building. If it's painted in, it should be planned to fit into the architectural design instead of giving the impression that it's a surface decoration. Now, what are some of the technical requirements? Obviously, the wall shouldn't move. It shouldn't shrink or set of the paint or crust. Yes, it's vital that our wall be practically immovable. And for murals like ours, remember, our mural will be on the interior side of an exterior wall. Another important requirement is that the dampness should be excluded. Dampness can result from water seeping through porous materials or through joints, corners, or flaws in the building construction. When water leaks through a wall, it may dissolve the salt that leaks the moisturize. The salt deposited in the form of white, moldy-looking film on the surface of the plaster. This greatly weakens the plaster, which can crumble or crack, and of course is a disaster to the mural. Can moisture make paint peel off? Yes, it can. When moisture penetrates a wall coated with paint, it causes the plaster to expand and the paint to peel off. Either in small flakes or in big pieces, and we don't want that happening to our work, so we'll need measures to prevent it. Our goal will be the results first, and to lessen the condensation of moisture on the surface. So our first rule is to exclude the dampness as much as possible. Then we also need to gather process extreme changes in temperature. Yes. So how we are going to do this? So we could create an airspace between the outer wall of the building and the processor. We could do this by building a screen or like a false wall just inside the exterior wall, and then put the processor on the false wall. There'll be like an inches of real space and exterior wall. The space would have an insulating effect. Straight any temperature on the processor. Yes, you're correct about the insulating effect on an airspace. Now to do this, it's called fanning the wall. What we do is we attach thin storage puzzle wood to exterior wall, and then we build another wall on top of this. The fouling of the wall creates an airspace of 1/2 to 1 inch between the outer and inner walls. That's enough to protect our mirror from moisture and temperature changes, as well as the mechanical strains and stress or